Welcome to Rye Easy English. Want to speak English in real shopping situations? Today, you will learn easy English conversations for everyday buying.
Hello. Fresh fruits. What would you like?
Hi, I want to buy some apples and bananas.
Very good choice. These apples are fresh and sweet.
Are they really sweet?
Yes, of course. They came this morning.
Okay, give me 1 kilo of apples.
Sure. Anything else?
Also need some bananas. Are they ripe?
Yes, they are. Perfect and ready to eat.
Great, give me 6 bananas.
All right, let me weigh them for you.
Please weigh them properly.
Don't worry. I always give the correct weight.
Good. How much is the total?
It's $8.
Can you give me a little discount?
Okay. I'll make it $7.
Thank you. Here's the money.
Thank you. Visit again.
Sure. Have a nice day.
Ma'am, how is the dress?
I like it, but it's a little loose. Do you have this in small?
Let me check for you. I'm sorry, ma'am. Small is not available in this design.
Oh, that's disappointing. I really liked this one.
I understand. But we have a very similar dress in the same color, and it comes in small. Would you like to try that?
Yes, please, show me.
Sure. Here it is. The fitting room is over there. How does it fit, ma'am?
This one fits much better. I like it.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I'll take this one.
All right. I'll keep it at the counter for you.
Okay, thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Hello, I want a bouquet for my mom.
Sure. What kind of flowers would you like?
Something simple in soft colors.
These pink and white ones are very popular.
They look nice. How much is this bouquet?
It's $12.
Okay, I'll take it. I want to add a small note.
No problem. What would you like to write?
Please write, "Love you, Mom."
All right. I'll put the note inside. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I'd like to order a cake, please.
Sure. What kind of cake would you like?
A chocolate cake.
Great choice. What size do you need?
A 2-pound chocolate cake, please. It's for my sister.
Lovely. Would you like a message on the cake?
Yes, please. Write, "Happy birthday, Lena."
Of course. When would you like to pick it up?
Tomorrow evening, around 5 p.m.
No problem. Your cake will be ready then.
Perfect. How much will it be?
It's $28.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Your cake will be ready tomorrow. Have a sweet day.
Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Just a loaf of bread and a bottle of milk, please.
Sure. White or brown bread?
Brown, please. And the milk, full cream.
Got it. Anything else for you today?
Nope, that's all. How much do I owe you?
That'll be $2.
Here you go. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Have a lovely day. Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a pencil pouch for my little girl.
Aw, how old is she?
She's 6. She just started school.
That's lovely. We have some cute ones over here with cartoons and animals.
Oh, wow, these are nice. Do you have one with unicorns?
Yes. This pink one is very popular with kids.
This is perfect. She's going to love it. How much is it?
It's $4.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you like to see some matching pencils or erasers too?
Sure. Show me some cute erasers.
These fruit-shaped ones are fun for kids.
Great. I'll take a pack of those as well.
All right. The total is $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. I hope your daughter likes them.
I'm sure she will. Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi. I want to buy a gift for my little sister.
That's nice. What's the occasion?
She did very well in her last examination. I want to congratulate her.
Wonderful. We have many soft toys and gift boxes.
Great. I'll take that Hello Kitty soft toy and this gift box.
Good choice. Would you like to write something on the box?
Yes, please. Write, "Congratulations, my dear little sister."
That's so sweet.
She'll be very happy.
I'm sure she will. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is it?
It's $12.
Here you go.
Thank you. I hope she loves the surprise.
Thank you. I can't wait to give it to her.
Have a great day.
You too.
Hello, how much are the momos?
Hello, one plate is $5.
Okay, what types of momos do you have?
We have steamed, fried, and spicy chicken momos.
Do you have vegetable momos?
Yes, we have steamed vegetable momos too.
Great. I'll have one plate of steamed vegetable momos.
Sure, anything else?
Do you have sauce?
Yes, we have chili sauce and soy sauce.
I'll take chili sauce, please.
Okay, one plate steamed vegetable momos with chili sauce. Anything to drink?
Yes, one cold drink, please.
All right, that will be $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you. I'm so hungry.